Welcome, lovelies and friends, and thank you for making it the mix again. And so today we have Oliviet, and she's talking about a whole lot of stuff. Her move, to her new apartment and the journey that she took into making the move to her new apartment. And she's also talking about her creams that she's selling. You guys could go over and support her, buy her creams from her and her soap. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a wonderful one.
And just call me of Jesus. Me call me of love.
No from above, God, I said him love. Full up my teeth up, full it in the mug. Hey, nobody will shake and nobody hug. I exchange my spiritual.
And I frequency me every reaching up. Bumbo, I want them teaching up. God alone, I want me seeking up. I want your plant, you are the reaping up. God alone, in me soul, me are keeping up. Yo. Say, call and get your claims 347-469-3874. I'm about to hit the shower and brush my rusty teeth. I'll talk to you later. I love you. I love you. You love me too. That's it. That's it, baby. So good morning, my loved ones. I love you. I'm getting out of here. Got people need their soap and people need their cream. I gotta go. I love you. Get up early, come have a lot of things to do to come back early so I can cook my dinner. Come food upon my mind, food upon my ass mind. So, yeah, you understand what I'm saying to you? Go early so I can come back and make the big pot so I can digest before late. You hear what I say, baby? I love you. All the punani light. I love you too. Yeah, I love it too, good. I love it too. Oh God, I'm so good at me eye. Egyptian, I don't know, something like that. I can't see you. So get me eye, baby, me love you. So get me eye. So getting your pony while it bone you, so to you know, you have to look in this one, when it bone you. When it's so getting your pony while like that, it bone you too, man. Yes, man, yes. Yes, to my last one, yeah, gone. Hello, whore. How you doing today? Hello, whore. How you doing today, baby? Hey. Why are you? No, mommy water can't get on water. They sitting under the water. The people must recall mommy water. Coming like snake. I know I'm mommy water. She coming in there, you can't get me. She coming like snake. She need mommy water. She mermaid of the fish bottom, but she have the snake bottom. A lot of people getting rich through mommy water these days, brother. Mean people getting millions through mommy water. Them are going to the beach. So now they have the new song come out and people are dance to it. And rinsing up the spirit of mommy water, and then I know say, let me say. Baby, you water. And mommy water never sing about, so it's a spirit them a chant. So then I know then will make me say, I water. You're singing to a spirit in the ocean and mommy water. They don't know about this shit. Oh yeah, that's what they're doing. They ain't getting no money from the person who sing about mommy water. But they're praising the person who take the ritual in mommy water and they ain't getting shit but sitting their fucking life. You hear me, goody? Let me say, yeah, they don't know what it is. I just burn me. Fuck. Swap down. This one feel like it can't wash off, darling. Damn, all nose not having on my nose, don't my nose. Do you see that, goody? Damn, it was stretching so long, the snort. Damn, the soap burn off all the color of the polymer mail. The colors of the polymer mail is gone from the bleaching soap. It become orange, it take time color and it change like bleach. Whoa, the darling. Yes, baby, slap them together when them wet. When them wet, just slap them together and they're wet, see? Oh, yes. The soap bad enough, I'm going to the shower, though. The soap bad, but me have to go in the shower. You can't get your creams. People don't want to spend money on them cream. And spend the right money on them cream and pie. Some people do, some people don't. My goody call me, goody cream is so good. I'm glad me buy the cream, it's so good. And then I goody call and say, why? I'm ready for my wedding now. My skin look real good for my wedding. I'm not lie, Oliviet. The product them good. Call and get your product 347-469-3874. And so on. Oh. And I done it, my skin I done it.
almost, but not finished yet. And so I'll soak it on my yard, one man. You know, I wet up the duct tape, you know, because I need it for shape up the thing then. Alright, me gone now. I love you now, so. I know, I love it too. I'm supposed to make you long when I do it. I'm try to start it. I'm starting to it today. Later on, I come back and start trying to make it. Maybe hear them put on other stuff. Girl, me put on work. I hustle, you know, pay my rent and time and all them shit. I remember some move from September and rent pay up on September, October, when November now, so pay my next couple of days. And I just so I got us hustle, you know, nobody no bother me. I want to go kitchen, I want to go bathroom, I want to go toilet. Nobody can bother me, you know. I not share nothing with nobody, I not share no entrance. And the good thing about it is not from the shelter. You can't live in peace with apartment from shelter. I save my money and save my money and take a real estate and go to a fine place. Long time I look place I never get none. But I couldn't go get apartment from shelter, darling. Apartment from shelter, they harass you. I couldn't do all this, you know. I could hear boom boom on my door. Noise or something or anything, you know, and control your life. Because when you move from them, them come them bring your place when they can come inside and dig up your place, go to your panty drawer, dig out everything and harass you. See who are, you know you have camera for watch, you walk on your place, them still come, they can dig up your place. And send you up and down, all kind of appointment for go this, so for do this, so for this, for that, for work for them in the shelter. Imagine me go down there once and me go work for them in the next shelter. While me in a shelter, DHS want me for work for them, for go on next shelter, go on security, for go scan people and come back to other shelter, go and sleep. You see how them wicked to black people and use them when they know say you're a God? When you know say you're a God and everything that belongs to fucking you, you're not to slave out yourself in nobody because you know who you are. You know who you are. You understand? I mean, they buy time, good here, I'm sick, I say me sick, every minute me faint. Almost every other day me faint on the roadside. I don't never know say most dying. Most actually dying. But me keep on working and me keep on saving, mom. We make it COVID, you know, me have around $12,000 me save up goodie. And show me papers, then the last, me have no papers for the bank account. Me tie up that shit and hide in the storage and keep saving money. When we look me have over 12,000, COVID hit me in my ass and me say nobody never know the money there and the money still there hide up, you know. And me talk to my son, me tell my son, say look me have some money hide up in the store just in case anything happened to me. He did a soccer, him never even know, yeah, you understand me? And me still come back out and hustle and next 10,000 put pan that, you know, go there after the COVID, me couldn't walk. But me still come out and hustle another 10, even though me couldn't breathe good. And I buy my own food every day. I spend a lot of money too. Because this amount of money I spend is more than $1,000 a month. For food, I don't have to spend that no more. Buy them food out there, you can get them good and people are pies, you put it in your food, they know who you is. Them are targeted you. Sometimes you can't even eat nothing. you know what I mean? It was really rough, but we have a lot to talk about. We have a lot, but when I get ready for settling and talk, when I'm going to details and everything. But me I tell us, I thank God, somebody wait, all people that cost me stay in a shelter how long. Me thank God, me wait until God provides it for me. Because I say, me can afford what me have, and not just that me comfortable my own entrance. My Jamaican landlord, Chinese and American, and them nice to me, and so on, you know, and so forth. So therefore, and then child, me glad me never get no apartment from the government if they can't dig me down and make me have peace, because after you go through all that for 3 years and still come out in a for them place and them still a push you around and still a dangle you around, you bet you need to take them from them because your life become a mess, because you need time to heal. The amount of healing that I went through since I come out, you thought I was in a big prison. I was completely finished. My brain, my mind, I couldn't lay down straight on a bed and sleep. He had so much things I had to change and take time, and we start to get better and start to heal little by little and come back to myself. But let me tell you something. Me glad me not get nothing from them and never take it. And the first time they give me refuse, and the second time they give me again refuse it. Then give me one in the Bronx, and I say no, me no want Bronx. Then give me one when I'm not to share one apartment for share with somebody else. I say me no want it. You understand? So 2 times then give me a refuse. So I guess they want to punish me for that. But me wanted to buy time and save the money and get something for myself and just leave. That mean nobody now have to give me no paperwork for up and down and no office, up and down in a cool in a line. They send you out when it's freezing cold, you know. Go turn up in a line, you go up and send you one next building and send you up and down. When you're supposed to be focusing that you're a God. And focusing that then them take a lot of things from you and hide a lot of things from you. And you don't know who you are. Now you know who you are, you can't make them continue to use you. So me have to fight for freedom. Then lock up in one, some of them in the office, lock up in there, chat me about Oliviet, and me a peep through the wall and me and listen to them and target me. Right at the office. And me knock on the door and walk me say, guys, I want to know I'm Oliviet. Like all the time listening to you guys. So I know who I was. And I want to get away. No, I don't have to answer to none of them, no shelter. Nobody can call me, nobody can tell me nothing. All I have to do is get up and go to work. So, yes, God is good. So, me not listen when nobody wants to say the end of the day is, me know a whole breast implant, man, when you're older, so then get, when you lose enough weight and things sometimes. But when me work, when me put on weight, long as me keep eating and put on weight good, I lift this weight, they go right back up and they go right back up and get stiff. So that's the thing about the implant. They don't really stay like this, they move around. So once me eat enough food and getting mass, because I never so mager, the skin just hang down, I lift the weights and exercise and come back pointy and stiff. So I have no problem with them getting better. You know what I mean? Me not worry about them. Because they get better. You see? But me glad say me not have to them not to come check my place and come send me go work for them in a cool in a shelter. A lot of girl then come in my work in a shelter, then come boss, you not them a police, your attitude, turn around, do this, that. Me tell them one day, me say, listen, if any day me find a place, me can just walk out and leave. That's the good thing about it. Money only can walk out and leave. One life stay up forever. So that's the good thing about it. You know, mom, me can just walk out anytime. So me hustle and me take my time and me pray to God, me fasting, and God do what you have to do for me, because I love God. So now chasing me like these things and me a sin and me not love God. God never make you wear clothes. And my Eve was naked in the garden. I sin make you wear clothes. Because people lust after you when you're naked and not feel lust after nobody. You can't find naked and not feel no way. You see what I mean? So me love no, but yeah, nobody know over my back. If you wonder who going to pay me rent, or they will move me again and pay the rent to the landlord, and then you have to move somewhere again, back in the shelter again up and down. I have to go through that. My work and me pay my rent. That's it. I don't have no problem. And that's what God wanted for me. God never want nobody to show me through me can't heal. Me in a place for 3 years and then continue with me, come in an apartment and continue with me till my brain get loose. Until me start take medication. And that's when I want to break, because you're God, you're not human being, them are human being and you're God. And they know say everything belongs to you. They know say Israel belongs to you. They know all of that. They know say Israel belongs to you. They know say you're not African American. They know that, Ross. But when they try to thief you and hide everything, but it's too late now, everything I come, we are gods and we're waking up. We waking up and our power is mashing up this blood clot without touching nobody. That's the power through our brain, through our heart, through our system. We are powerful. So when I go for the people that say man, when the girl put some things say Popeyes, they must say shit in a chicken. I mean, don't come online and go and talk about say Popeye, do not chicken and all this stuff to people. Because to me, if you never go near stand and dirty food, that could happen to you. That means you're not awake. So don't come here and cry to you that we are woke. We are woke and we are not eating it. So we don't care what you do. If you go there, it's on your own chances to eat these kind of things. You know what I mean? Don't come to us, because we don't eat chicken. I don't eat chicken. I be eating them salmon head and vegetables and stuff. A lot of kale and different sitting too. I eat 2 shrimp once in a while. Yeah, that's it. See the nails them there. See the other one still colorful from the nails when I used to do a lot over there. Get messed up from when I was over the place. A lot of things was happening to me over there. My teeth, my nails, my feet, everything going bad. Germs the place. I share bathroom with so much hundreds of people. Some of them all have sore on them foot, sore and sitting and run out of it. You're like, damn, I don't want to go in the bathroom and then go bathe in there. They have all this sore on them kin and sitting and run out of it. And you put on your slippers to go into the shower, you still not feel, so you have to touch the door. That's why them thing are germs, man. So, me glad say. Yeah, go to come and get your cream. 347-469-3874. Make a bed now. So God bless you and saying, come and get your cream. You can see that it take off all that black spot anyway you have. And your breast, the stomach, and so on, your butt, the bikini earline and all of that. Yeah, it's covered. I don't see the big deal. It's just breast. God is covered. Enough when I go start talk, I'll kind of sit down and rinse up on myself and care. Nobody do that to myself. Just go pray. Me just don't pray. Just go pray and relax yourself. It's just breasts, a whole breast. I love it too. People are afraid to be themselves, you know. And a man would me a suck and a man dip on top of me. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I gotta go. 347-469-3874. Go on and get your cream. You know the cash app is Oliviet Smelly, $19 of skincare. I don't meet up with people anymore. So if you're trying to meet up with me, to collect the cream from me, that won't happen, because I don't meet up with people anymore. I stop meeting up with people. Stop taking cash out of people's hands. Stop waiting on the street side for 2-3 hours for people. I stop doing that. I stop meeting up with people so they can get half price cream. They don't want to pay me full price. I stop doing that. I also stop giving away free soaps to the order. I also, I stop giving away the soap. Them free to order. A lot of time I do that. I can't do it no more. Because them soaps are $15 each. I'm losing a lot of money. Buy all that damn soap and just give them away for free. When somebody buy and I have the money for the soap, I just give them. I stop that. Because I'm a run good. Me try to for so many years if it's not good. So that is just one order. And that's the pineapple mango. That one going out now.
Also, the pum pum tightener still available. Tighten up your good old girl, your old laffy, good and tight and clean. Clean as spotty leopard queen. You tight and clean underneath on the scene. And I also got the body soap them. And this is another order of the pineapple. Because people just love their pineapple mango cream. A lot of people like the mangoes as well. But the mangoes make you more white like why, and the mango pineapple also make you light. But it works in a slower space. You take your times and it climbs up, but it's beautiful. And it's very silky and smooth. My goodies will tell you about it. So call in and get your creams. 347-469-3874. I'm about to get my goodies out right now. The creams. Goodie, your creams going out right now. I know that's your order. You already know who you is. And that's the other order because you ordered 3, you ordered 4 piece one time. So yeah, so these are goodie 4 piece. Goodie are going out now. I never got out yesterday because I was taking order. I was getting everybody out. I may have 2 more orders. I forgot about it now to go out. Right? So the mango pineapple is beautiful cream. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the mango pineapple. So if you buy the mangoes, you don't like it, go and buy the mango pineapple. Because people have different skin. People have different skin. Not everything works the same for everybody. You know what I mean? So get your mango pineapple. If you don't, the mangoes you don't like, the mangoes in a slower space, more moist. It's more yellow browning like, a yellow browning like. You get from this one, like a yellow browning woman, like a yellow browning. Yeah. Good morning, baby. So I'm about to get out of here. And so on. So to ship people orders out. This is other goodie orders. Going out now. And I gotta get the next one that just coming ready. And so on. And the good sort them. Right? So God bless you. I love your calling 347-469-3874 and get your pineapple mango. If you have like